Everything you need to know about Typemaster, from development to customer, the leading solution for homologation management in the automotive industry. Where do vehicle-specific registration documents come from? This is Tom. Tom has just fulfilled his dream of buying a new car and is taking it for a spin the first time. But it was a long process before Tom's car was ready to use. Generating the documents specifically for his vehicle was an important part of this process. But wait a minute, what does that actually mean? A number of tasks have to be completed before Tom is allowed to drive the car. Vehicle manufacturers use Typemaster Print for this to stamp vehicle-specific features, such as the vehicle identification number, visibly onto the car while it's still being produced. Once the production process is complete, print is also used to print documents specific to the vehicle which are legally required for the vehicle to be sold. In Germany, this is part 2 of the Vehicle Registration Certificate, commonly known as the Vehicle Registration Document. This COC paper is required by the European Union. All vehicle manufacturers who want to sell a new model have to follow certain laws and guidelines. That is not only the case in Germany, but also in most other countries throughout the world. Every country has its own regulatory body, charged with making sure that everyone follows the rules. If everything is correct, the vehicle can be approved for sale. These rules have been standardized in the European Union, which means that Tom's car is also approved to participate in road traffic in Italy, Spain, France and all the other EU countries. But why are all these laws and guidelines needed? The laws ensure that the same rules apply to all vehicle manufacturers in the European Union for the registration and sale of their models. It is extremely important because it ensures that individual documentation is available for every single vehicle. This shows, for example, the vehicle's dimensions, weight, tire combination and exhaust emissions, which are determined using either the WLTP or vector system, depending on the vehicle's weight class. Typemaster Print prepares all of this vehicle information and stores and prints it in the required language at the touch of a button. In other words, Typemaster's print module ensures that Tom's car is perfectly suitable for the roads. Knowing this makes Tom's first spin with his new car even more fun. Typemaster, the leading solution for homologation management.